In this teardown, we're going to look at best roof box. This is part of a series, so I'm going to talk about the website. In this video, we're going to take a quick look at keyword research. We'll take a quick look at some of the backlinks as well and analysis over on Ahrefs. However, there will be other videos in this series, so be sure to check the playlist. There's links in the description. By the way, my name is Doug Cunnington. I run a blog called Niche Site Project. And here on YouTube, I talk a lot about affiliate marketing and side hustles. I talk about SEO, productivity. Check out some of the other videos on the channel. And if you dig it, please subscribe. Hit the thumbs up. Let me know you like these videos. Let's start tearing down best roof box. This site was created by a good friend of mine named Alex Cooper. He runs the WP Eagle YouTube channel. So he's been covering this website for months. He's making a few $100s per month at the time that I'm recording this. So he's doing well, and he's been documenting the whole process. So you could check out his analytics, his earnings, and all that stuff. We'll see on this homepage here, we're just going to do a quick overview. So first, it looks pretty good. I mean, Alex is a WordPress designer. This is a well put together site. The guy knows his stuff, and it's a beautiful looking site. And you can actually see his tutorial if you click the link down here below. In the footer, you could see his tutorial on how he designs this site. In fact, I think he has some product out there, so you can like download this theme with the customizations and all the details. So check it out. First, I notice this menu is a little busy for my taste. There are several choices on here, and I think some of them can be rolled up together. So number one, I probably wouldn't have a home link there. You could click on this icon here on the header image, and that is the same thing as the home. I wouldn't have a home link in my menu. I also see these guides could probably be maybe a couple of them we can get rid of, maybe just have the most important one. I believe that Contact Us can be rolled up with the About Us section. So just a couple items there, you could remove 2 to 3 of those. The idea here is you don't want to give people too many options. Moving on from there, this is great. There's a quick sort of here's what this site is about. You see a video here, which lets you know that you're here for roof boxes, cargo storage to go over your car. So this goes to the main buyer's guide here. This is linked to the categories, which is totally fine. In future teardowns, I'll go a little bit deeper there. And we see here the latest guides and articles. So I think these are probably the most important ones. You see the best roof boxes for 2020. This is probably like pasted to the top. These seem to be more helpful, less salesy. So these seem to be informational type articles. And you can see here that the category is under beginners. So great. Most of these are beginners guides, and there are, it looks to be like 9 of them or so. So that's great. People can navigate. I potentially would just have 3 listed there. Again, generally on the homepage, you don't want to give too many options. I love that there's an About Us section here. It's really good to add sort of that personal touch and let people know why the site's here. And we do have this pretty nice looking image with check out the buyer's guide. So it's sort of a start here section. So really nice to have that. If someone scrolled all the way down, they get to this. A few legal things here at the bottom. So the Amazon affiliate disclaimer is at the bottom, just so people have an idea. You have privacy and cookie policy, and then general links that you would see in the footer. So I like this in general. And if somebody gets all the way down here and they're like, oh, I am actually looking about roof boxes, they can click here and check more things out. So I'm going to just quickly head over to one of the guides. Quick note, this is part of a series, so be sure to check out the other videos. I tear down other sites. I go into keyword research and go deep into the details. So please check out the other videos in the playlist. Subscribe to the channel if you dig these sort of topics. And you can also download keywords from the sites that I'm tearing down. If you head over to my site, there's a link in the description, and you'll be able to see a little bit more detail on all these sites too. And we'll go to the best roof boxes for 2020. This is going to be an abbreviated version in the interest of time, because I do want to go over to KW Finder, see what keywords we have available, what keywords the site is ranking for, and then take a quick look at Ahrefs. I will go deep into the weeds in other videos, so be sure to check out the other ones. Number one, we see, again, Alex is a WordPress designer. This looks good. I don't love a sidebar, but Alex is showing ads here, and the things over here I can't complain about too much. They're popular articles and that sort of thing. I do contend that you should focus on the content. People came there to look for certain information. They probably Googled it. They probably clicked on the link to go to your website, and they're interested in the topic of the page. They don't want to be distracted with the stuff on the sidebar. Some people, maybe they do want to get distracted, but I want to keep them focused on why they're there. I don't want to send them off somewhere else right away. So we have a header image here, a kind of a featured image, which looks nice. Then we head over and see this affiliate notation. This is super important. Alex nailed this. You need to have your affiliate disclosure before any of your affiliate links. I'll repeat it again. You need to have your affiliate disclosure before any affiliate links. You also need to have it in plain language. If you just say, hey, this is an affiliate site, that's not good enough. There's affiliate links below, also not good enough. People may not know what affiliate means. So you need to say, I get paid a commission if you click on one of these links and make a purchase, something to that effect. Amazon makes it super clear. As we scroll down, we can see it's, generally well formatted. I think the text gets a little bit heavy and it could benefit from maybe a few more images in here, but overall, this is formatted really well. Now, Alex is linking over to other pages in his site, which is very good practice. You should interlink for your site. However, I like to put those links in the second half of the article. Again, someone just came here trying to look for roof boxes for 2020, and now you're going to send them over for camping gear and personal supplies and other details. This one's a how-to article, family road trips, what not to take on family vacation. Sure, you could put a link there, but okay, I'm about to buy something, and then I get distracted and I click this link and I start reading about an informational article. I just pulled someone off the page. So put those later in the post. What I like about how Alex did this is he has a in a hurry section. So the best websites do this. You have the Wirecutter, you have Outdoor Gear Lab, Baby Gear Lab, many, many others. They often have a link at the top, an affiliate link, and it's like, hey, are you in a hurry? Do you need a curated list? Here's the best overall option. Here's the best aerodynamic option, if that's something you care about. So you qualify them specifically and you tell them straight up, hey, you're going to go to Amazon. Great. You're going to go to Amazon. And I just made the decision for you. They hop over. Amazon knows how to convert. So I'm going to speed it up here. You got a table of contents, a good way to let people jump around, and then a comparison table. I think this table may have too many things. I like to keep it to just like 5 or so. So we have one more extra. It's actually super valuable. There's a lot of information here, but it's almost overwhelming. We do see these buttons have a little bleed over, so the responsiveness is sort of working, but at the same time, it's not 100%. If I was a betting man, I would say this is using AAWP, and I think there may be a couple little issues with the formatting of this notation here. That's another topic for another day, but Amazon has very specific rules about using the Amazon API. Okay, as we scroll down, we have a buying guide and 12 things to consider. Excellent. We're just going to scroll down. There's images. There's a lot of helpful content here, and I think this is super well done. All right, this is great. As we scroll down, we will see more options below. So we have probably the same products that are mentioned in the table, and then we go and we see how these products match up to the actual features that were discussed before. So overall, pretty well done. Couple minor tweaks. I actually did a teardown previously for Alex, and I think he made some of those changes. Okay, let's go to KW Finder. By the way, I'm an affiliate for KW Finder, and there's a link in the description. Additionally, you can save money by using my coupon code. So all that's in the description. I'm not going to go into a huge sales situation. Just wanted to let you know. So you could head over to KW Finder, and it's a keyword research tool, and you can check out the keywords that a site is ranking for by domain. I'm going to leave this anywhere right now, just so we can see the full range. And you'll note that, rooftop boxes, this site's ranking 19th for that keyword, and that's in Great Britain. So what you can do, you can actually filter down and then say, instead of from anywhere, we can go to the US. So I'm in the US. Most people are probably targeting the US, and we could see a handful of keywords are listed here. It says only 9, so I'm going to get rid of this. And then we have 88 listed. It says now we're searching for the entire domain. So still quite a few listed, but there are many other tools out there. We'll take a look at another one in a second. Cool thing with KW Finder is you can see the keyword difficulty. Of course, it gives you the search volume, and it gives you the position that it's ranking for. So pretty cool overall, and a highly effective way to see what a site is ranking for. In fact, you can export some of the keywords, right? So you can export the keywords, and what you can do, so I will select all, just going to export them, and then you get them all. So it downloads all of them. And by the way, if you want to see these keywords, you want to see the full list, because we don't have time to go through all of them right now, you can go to my website, Niche Site Project. There's a link in the description, and you can actually get more details on this site. I have sort of the written word where I analyze it as well. And you could head over there and download the keywords for this site, the ones that I just pulled just now, as well as the other sites that I am tearing down in this series. So pretty cool. And I'm just going to go to like best cargo boxes here, and you'll see the keyword difficulty is calculated, and it's a 28. So it's still generally easy. And the great thing with KW Finder is it aggregates this information from other sources. So there's a competition analysis panel over here. It gives you the search volume over time, so you can see how it's trending. And then you can see the other sites, the other specific pages that are ranking. So you could go right in here and see what's ranking and that sort of thing. We have Best Roof Box over here on Ahrefs. So this is a paid tool as well. And you can see some details. This is just going to be a quick overview. I'll go deeper in another video, but basically we see that the domain rating is 39. There's 584 backlinks. There are 77 referring domains, which I'm more interested in the referring domains. It's ranking for 3,100 keywords, and the reported traffic is 1.1 thousand. So a little over 1,000, but usually the site is getting many more thousand than that. So if you check out Alex's videos, you'll see that he's getting a lot more traffic than that. Now, what we can also do is check out this organic search and see that it's been growing over time. So this is great to see. The organic traffic is generally on an upward trend. There have been some ups and downs, but generally it's good stuff. Additionally, when you look at the organic keywords and the number of organic keywords, you see steady growth. This is amazing. It's just going up and maybe a little plateau here, but then it grows again. Fantastic. Now, what we're going to do is zoom in on anything in the top 10. So these are the ones that matter, especially the ones in the top 3. So you can see here that Alex's site, Best Roof Box, is ranking 114 different keywords that are ranking in the top 3. So that's great. You can see all the competitors here, and this is a very valuable tool, right? So you can get tons of info. In fact, you could head over here and see all the organic keywords as well. So this is another thing that you'll be able to get. So I will just export these here, and then you'll be able to check out these other keywords. And you'll notice when we looked at KW Finder, it was only giving us more of a micro look. So 88 keywords, but Ahrefs has a more robust system for looking, and you could even see like these are rich snippets and all those other details. So we'll end it here. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments. By the way, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, say, hey, I like the video. I want to see more of these. All right. Be sure to check out the others in this series as well. Thanks a lot to Alex over at WP Eagle. Be sure to check out all his videos on this site as well.